welcome everybody. I'm Brandon Peace, and today on TURKEYLEG TV, we're making a custom razor. So let's clean up the shop and dive right into it. Let's go. Alright, the shop's all cleaned and everything's all set up. So today we're using the chrome plated razor handle kit from Rocklers, and we're going to be setting it up on the single razor stand. The wood we're using today, using a Thuya Burl pen blank. That is beautiful. We're going to measure it out and get it going. So let's do it. Is through. So now that the hole is drilled, it's time to sand and super glue this tube into here. So let's do it. Now that the ends are all cleaned up, it's time to throw it on the lathe. Now it is time to sand. I will break you. Loaded, that is per day. Yes, that is beautiful. Now that it's all done, it's time to put it together. Now that the razor is done, let's check out the stand. The stand, as you know it, comes already put together. So let's see these two bad boys together. Now that we're done with the razor, there's one last thing to do. That's to test it out. But what are we gonna test it out on? Thank you everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you next time. We're out of here. Peace.